All right. Good morning, everyone. We're going to go ahead and get started now. Welcome to the routine Thursday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering the period from today through next Wednesday. So first, taking a look at the upcoming weather pattern. We have today expecting numerous showers and storms to develop across all of central North Carolina this afternoon and evening, ahead of a cold front that's currently up in the northern mid-Atlantic. And showers and storm coverage will lessen tonight, but then another round is expected tomorrow afternoon and evening as the cold front starts to move south and moves through our area. And with the front moving through our area, tomorrow probably is going to have the heaviest rain and most widespread coverage overall. Some rain may still linger on Saturday, but the front will be sinking pretty far south by that point. So the best chance on Saturday will be in the south. And then from Sunday through the middle of next week, some isolated showers and storms still can't be ruled out each day, but it definitely looks drier than the next couple of days, and confidence on exact details is still low. As for temperatures, we're expecting near normal highs today and tomorrow, generally mid to upper 80s, and then it cools down on Saturday behind the frontal passage, with highs only in the upper 70s to lower 80s. And then we start to warm up again Monday and Tuesday with highs more like the upper 80s to lower 90s, and those look to be the warmest days of the period. And the tropics are quiet for now. All right, so looking at the precipitation forecasts through the next week. Today, generally expecting about, on average, 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches across our area. But as is typical with these showers and storms, some areas are going to get more than that, some probably less than that. And similar amounts expected again tomorrow. Highest overall probably looks like it'll be in eastern parts of our area. And then from Sunday into early next week, again, still some isolated showers and storms possible, especially in southeastern parts of the area, but definitely not expecting rainfall amounts as high as what we're going to be seeing the next couple of days. So overall rainfall amounts through the next 7 days, which you can see in the bottom right panel, generally look like about 1 to 3 inches, highest in the southeast. All right, so with all this heavy rain, we are unfortunately expecting a threat for some excessive rainfall and flash flooding. Today, we are in a marginal risk for excessive rainfall. The entire state of North Carolina is actually. And the showers and storms could result in isolated flash flooding, with the greatest threat in urban areas and areas with poor drainage. And this is going to be along the I-40 and US 70 corridors. That's where we think the heaviest rain threat and flash flooding threat will be. So that goes from the Triad into the Triangle and Goldsboro and Rocky Mount. That corridor is what where we're expecting the greatest flash flood threat to be. Tomorrow, we are actually under a slight risk for flash flooding and excessive rainfall, so a bit higher than today. And again, numerous showers and storms expected. By Saturday, as the front gets far enough south, we're only expecting a marginal threat for excessive rainfall just in the far southeast. So I know it's a bit ironic talking about flash flooding, but there is still also a drought situation going on across a good part of the state. It is a bit reduced from what it was a week ago, as you can see on this map. The D1, which is moderate drought, and D2, severe drought areas have been reduced in eastern North Carolina, at least, from the rainfall that's fallen in the past week. But a good part of central North Carolina is still under a D1 moderate drought, and the entire area is at least considered abnormally dry. And this map, however, does not include the last 48 hours of rainfall, and there was some rain, as much as 1 to 2 inches across parts of the state. And of course, we are expecting more the next couple of days, which should help with the drought situation. So severe weather outlooks. Overall, we're not really expecting any severe storms for central North Carolina the next few days. Mainly a flash flooding threat, not really a severe storm threat. But there still is a risk of general thunder each day from today through Saturday. And so with any storm, gusty winds and dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning are still possible. Looking ahead to the 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, generally it looks like below normal temperatures and below normal precipitation are favored. All right, so just summarizing everything. Again, numerous showers and storms will develop across the area this afternoon and evening, and we are under a marginal threat for excessive rainfall and flash flooding due to this, and especially in that urban corridor from the Triad into the Triangle and Goldsboro and Rocky Mount. And then tomorrow, another round of widespread showers and storms is expected with a slightly higher threat for excessive rainfall. And then some rain may still linger into Saturday, but the flooding threat looks lower by then, and the best chance for any showers and storms will be in the far south. And then from Sunday through the middle of next week, isolated showers and storms can't be ruled out each day, but confidence on details is low. It definitely looks drier, though, than the next couple of days. And temperatures look near normal today and tomorrow, then cooler on Saturday behind the front, and then warming back up into the upper 80s to lower 90s by early next week. All right, that about does it. Does anyone have any questions?